have the material. Don't worry, I will share the material.
Okay.
No need to record this because it is having some interview with.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay. Shall we go for the? I think so. Agenda for this today is what is the plant maintenance organization? What is the plant maintenance master data? What is the preventive maintenance process? And what is the maintenance processing? Finally, after transacting data, what is the information system? It is a kind of reporting in the plant.
Venkat, what is the information system?
The information system is nothing but it is the reports, plant maintenance reports, cost reports, and statistical and analysis reports. All the SAP standard reports will get in the SAP system. Okay. In the slides, wherever you have any query, you can stop it and ask there itself, so that later it will be the better visibility.
Right.
Okay. I think so. I don't need to explain the screen. You know that the screens how it looks in the SAP. Okay. Basically, plant maintenance module under the logistic. Okay, it is one of these modules. It is named as a plant maintenance. And that there is a main components is the management of technical objects. Basically, it will talks about the master data. Okay. So then second node is the maintenance processing. It will talk about the all maintenance processes in this node. Okay. And next is the preventive maintenance. Basically, it is preventive maintenance based on the manufacturer guidelines. So it will talk about the only preventive maintenance. Then is the information system. You are looking another node is the work area management. It is a part of the process of the maintenance processing. It is basically safety. Any chemical industry, petrochemical industry, they have the stringent safety rules. So to make this work permits and all, they will use the work area. Okay. I think so. This is not required right now. You need to that for notes is very important for you. Okay. Okay, basically, the benefit of plant maintenance will reduce the downtime so that it will increase the productivity of mission. And basically, the plant maintenance model will cater to the safety environment because if you are using the work area management or any safety requirements, so that system won't allow for that goods movement, goods withdrawal from the source. So until unless this safety permits is issued by the concerned authorities, so that always the plant maintenance will be the real-time environment is safer environment to work and reduce the machine downtime, so that you can keep the track of the what is the regular intervals of the maintenance, so that you can give alerts, so that the maintenance will be happening in the right time, so that the machine downtimes will be reduced. So when you are maintaining the regular intervals, whatever the recommended maintenance or any abnormal notice, if you have done the maintenance in the regular time, so that it will increase of the emission lives. That is the basic benefits from the plant maintenance model will get business. Basically, activities in the plant maintenance. Okay, there is a three type of activities basically. One is the inspection, second one is the preventive maintenance, and third one is the repair. Basically, what is the inspection? Okay, every day the people will go to the plant and they will make the regular inspection rounds. So during the inspection rounds, if any leakages is identified or any abnormal sounds, those all the things is notified and they will take the lot of corrective action. This is called the inspections. Alright? And the preventive maintenance, basically, yesterday as I explained you, this is every set of equipment will have, there is a manufacturing guidelines. If you take the motor, at regular intervals, it has to replace the bearings or greasings to be done or vibrations to be measured. These are all the kind of setups will be there. So, irrespective of either is abnormal condition or whatever condition, it is a running condition also, we need to do the maintenance. That is called the preventive maintenance. So at the time they will get the permission from the production department, it will be production mission. They will get the clearance and they will do the preventive maintenance checks. Okay. Repair, basically it will handle the kind of any abnormality of any breakdown it's happened. Okay. It is all of sudden. Okay. Nothing is it's a planned. It's always an unplanned one. If any an abnormality is identified, they will do the repair on that particular object. Okay. Either is a shock situation or it gets stopped or fuse is blown or winding is burnt, all those things will come under the repair. So basically repair is nothing but the SAP terminology is a breakdown.
What is that? What is that? Repair is in SAP terminology?
Breakdown maintenance.
Breakdown maintenance. Okay.
Okay. This is the it's a global practices. This is the inspection, preventive maintenance, repair. Okay. So how it will transform into the SAP? How we can do in the SAP? The second. Is there any question in this slide?
Yeah, that's fine. Fine.
Feel free. Either this is question is valued, question or query is valid or not. You can ask that. So later you will get the benefit that from the question. Okay.
Yeah, so, sure. That's fine.
Don't keep it. Anything is with you. Okay. Going to the plant organization structure in our SAP. How we can make it there? Yesterday I explained you how the plant structure in the real time. Okay, within the four boundaries, there is a based on the either is chemical or petrochemical or manufacturing or engineering sector, whatever it may be. It will be there. The plant is within the four walls, and it will have the different sections and the different departments and the different process units. Okay, that is the way you can imagine. Okay, whenever it's possible, you can try and Google search how the plant layouts will be there, so that you will understand that what is the inside the four boundaries. Okay. That plant, how will bring it as an organization structure in the plant maintenance. Okay, as you know that the client is the topmost level in the SAP.
Right.
Yeah. Then is the plant. If the plant is defined by the material management, okay, the same plant we will declare as a maintenance plan as well as a maintenance planning plan.
Okay.
The financial perspective, the FI will define the company code. One company code will have the different plans. One company code will have the 1:1 plan or 1:n. This is the based on the business what they have the practices. Okay.
Right.
So company code means maybe you can take the Hyderabad is main branch head office. Okay, it is a company, own organization. Okay, they will have the one plant in Vizag, one plant in Chennai, one plant in Bhubaneswar, somewhere. Okay, these are all the plants under come under the one company code. Maybe sometime they will based on the maybe if they are declaring is the plant 1:1, they will define a one company code and one plant. Okay, that is the financial guys will take there and they will define this company code and the plant. Okay, any questions here?
Yeah, I'm clear on that.
Yeah. So whichever the material management team is define the plant. The same plant we will use as a maintenance plant. The maintenance plant nothing but where our technical object. This is the terminology we will use in the SAP. Technical object nothing but your function location, your equipment. Okay. Yesterday as I explained you. Okay. Where our physical technical objects is installed, that is called the maintenance plant.
Okay.
The maintenance planning plant is the planning activities where planning activities for the technical objects where it is going to take care. Maybe it will be the same plant or it is a different plant. Okay. Normally in the usual terminology in the global practices, maybe you hear this terms on the centralized maintenance, decentralized maintenance.
Okay.
Okay. Centralized maintenance means all the planning will taken care by the head office, either is one of the plant. The execution will be done at each plant level.
Okay.
Okay. That is called centralized maintenance.
What is the centralized? What is the repeat that one? Centralized maintenance.
Centralized maintenance. It's a business terminology. Centralized maintenance means, okay, we have the one plant in Hyderabad, one plant in Vizag, one plant in Chennai. Okay,
Right.
we have the 3 plants, right?
Right.
But for the Chennai plant, Vizag plant, and Hyderabad plant, for both 3 plants, planning activities will take care by the Hyderabad plant.
Okay.
That is called centralized maintenance.
Okay.
Okay. The planning activities will not done by the Chennai plant or Vizag plant.
Okay.
So all the activities what to be done is the planning planned by Hyderabad plant.
Okay.
That is called the centralized maintenance in the real-time business scenario. The decentralized maintenance means each plant, Chennai plant will plan their activities, Vizag plant will plan their activities, Hyderabad plant will have their planning activities. That is called the decentralized maintenance.
I mean, your own planning activities.
Yeah, yes. Okay, clear? So from there only these terminologies define the maintenance plant and maintenance planning plant. So what is the difference between the maintenance plant and maintenance planning plant is, maintenance plant is where the physically the plant is located, planning plant is where the planning activities planned.
Okay.
So maintenance plant is where the physical object is located and where the execution will be carried out. And the planning plant is where the planning activities done. Okay. Is there any questions?
So the maintenance planning, maintenance plant means the physical location of the plant and the execution of the maintenance.
Yes. Where the physical location, physical object is located, there only you can do the execution.
Right.
That is the maintenance plant.
Okay.
The planning plant is maybe it is the same plant or it is in different plant. For
Right.
that plant objects, what are the activities to be done?
Right.
Okay, clear?
Yeah.
So we will bring the next slide. Okay, here the definitions. Location based organization units is called the maintenance plant. The planning based organization is nothing but your maintenance plant, planning plant. Okay, maintenance plant, it will have the locations and the plant sections. I explained within the 4 boundary, maybe the different units and the different sections, different departments. That is called location plant sections.
Place within a maintenance plant with the technical objectives.
Okay.
Equipment maintenance plan.
Yeah.
So the technical object is physically located physically. So
Because
technical.
within, yeah,
Yeah.
within the four boundaries, okay. So we can define the different locations. This is the chlorine plant. This is the compressor plant. This is the storage area. This is the water treatment area. That is the what called the locations. We can
Okay. Okay.
specify further locations. These
Okay.
locations we can use in when we are building the master data.
Okay.
Similarly, you can define the plant sections. Further segregation in the maintenance plant.
So there are two sections in the plant. One is the location, plant section.
Yeah.
Right? Two locations.
Maintenance plant we can maintenance plant we can broken into it's a different another two sections. One is the location wise and another is the plant section.
Plant section. Okay.
Planning based organization uses the maintenance plant. The topmost is the planner group. You can break it that planner groups. The planner group nothing but maybe the managers or engineers who can do the planning activities.
Okay.
Okay. Who is the responsible to plan this maintenance plant activities to be planned?
Okay. Okay.
So basically the roles will come maybe the manager or engineer. Those things we will call in as a plan of groups. We will define the plan of groups in the maintenance planning plan.
Okay.
Okay, right?
Right.
And the work centers. Yesterday I explained you. So who can physically execute the job? Maybe it is a group person or group of people to carry out the activities.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Any questions?
So who carries the operations are carried out? So work center is the people,
Yes.
for people who carries the operations or work center.
Yeah. Who can, because the terminology as for SAP operations are carried out at a work center. Okay. You can talk elaboratively. Who can execute that maintenance? Who can carry out that maintenance? Who can do the physically the maintenance activities? By labor. Maybe they are the technicians, they are the carpenters, they are the electricians, they are the mechanics. These are all the person or group of persons will call as a work center in the SAP.
So what are these called? Carpenter, plumber. These people are called work centers. Yeah.
See, normally usually in the industry terminology, you can hear that electricians, right?
Yeah.
Electrical department will have the 5 electricians. Okay. They will take care of all industry basic electrical needs. Okay. So one department will they call so my tube light is not blowing, or my motor is stopped, my starter is not starting. Okay. This kind of information they will close to the electrical department. That engineer will send the electricians to the place and he will check and he will correct that activity. Okay. These guys are called the working. So basically we will define as a master data as a work center in the SAP. Okay. Maybe there is a terminology used to identify the different work centers, right? Electricians. Okay. There is a work center. Under that there is a 5 people. That 5 people, who are there? Maybe they have the personal masters. Okay, those masters will be assigned. Maybe they have the qualifications. Maybe you can work up to 11 kV. You can work up to 132 kV. You can work up to 220 kV. Because they have a licensed electricians. They can work only for some limitation of electric voltage. So such a way we can define it the work centers. Okay, going forward, once see the SAP screen, we will understand what is that. This work center will integrated integrated with the HR, okay, human resource, and as well as it is widely integrated integration with the controller, because these persons, what is the cost should be flowed through the controller. Okay. Now you know clear what is the work centers. Simply it is a person, maybe the person or group of person. That person may be the electrician or mechanic or carpenter, whoever it is.
Okay.
Okay. Clear? These work centers, whatever the activities is going to execute physically.
Right.
Is there any question in this slide?
Yeah, move forward.
This is base of the plant maintenance. Okay, it is any industry, if any plant maintenance model is implemented, this is a base architecture for the plant maintenance. Okay. Why the definition of the maintenance work center? I don't think so. Already we discussed. Maybe it's a mechanic or carpenter or sweeper or welder or cleaner, like this. Okay. Yeah. So you can have a picture view. What is the centralized? What is the decentralized? What is the partially centralized? Okay. We have the three options to define in the plant maintenance. Okay. The topmost is organization such as the company code. So which is defined by the plant, the material management. We will use that plant to declare as a MP is the maintenance plant and MPP is the planning plant. Okay. We will come to the centralized. There is a two maintenance plants. One is MP0001 and MP002. For these two plants, MPP maintenance planning plant 002 is the will take care of the planning activities. That is called a centralized maintenance.
One second, Venkat. So we have planning plant 002 under a company code, and there are two plants MP001.
Yeah, right.
MP002 are for these two plants, MP001, MP002. For these two plants, the planning activities are done by the planning 00 MPP.
Yeah, 002. MPP 002. What is the maintenance plant is MP 002.
What is the two? Okay, but these are not. These are three plants, right? Totally.
No, not the three plants. MPP means we are declaring. See, plant. We can take the plant 0001. Plant 002. There is, we have the two plants.
Okay.
In these two plants, what is the planning plant is 002.
Oh, okay. The plant 002 is the planning plant.
Yeah, we mentioned there is a MPP to identify that is a planning plant.
Okay. So it will plan the activities for the plant 001 also.
Yes. That is called a centralized maintenance.
Okay.
The decentralized, that is the 1:1. Okay. MP001 is
every plant will have their own planning plan.
Their own one. We will declare that is a planning plant.
Right.
Okay. The partially decentralized is based on our business requirement. Okay. So you can see that there is a 001, 002, 003. But 003 and 002 will have the planning activities taken care by the 002.
Right.
Okay. 001, same that itself it will take care of the planning activities. That is called a partially centralized. Now you can have a look how it will look the organization structure. This is the three ways. Okay. So basically it will be there always is a decentralized. normally in my case I see that 1:1 because suppose it is in the Chennai plant, because they have to pay the taxes, sales taxes, everything is in that state, so that they will define a separate company code, separate plant, and separate maintenance plant.
What about the okay? If the plants are in India, that's fine. So what about the plants geographically located? Say
yes, geographically you can take the US. Maybe US can take the organizations like GE and like Chevron. Okay, some of the organizations they are globally they have a plants. Okay.
right.
Okay. Based on the business needs, based on the some continent, they will group as a some company course, or else they will do the 1:1, or they will do the all the planning activities take care of the 6 years, and it will spread to the other plants.
Centralized. Centralized.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
That is also better. But the costing, basically they will, financial guy and the material management guys will define this company code and plan based on the current financial, how they are reporting. Based on that they will define.
Okay.
Because you can take that as US and Canada. Maybe there is some regulations and there is some financial acts will be there. Okay. So if they can pay it, then they will club that 2-3 companies, they will define the one code, company code, because it will come under that within the permission.
Okay.
Okay. So our plant maintenance part will come into that when where it will start after defining the plant by the material management. Okay. So automatically our cost flows will be through our maintenance plant and planning plant, and then it will goes to the material plant, and from there which company code is assigned, it will flow to directly the
yeah, Venkat, I have a question here. I have a question. Here, so we must define a planning plan, whether it's centralized, decentralized, or partially decentralized.
Yes, yes.
So we must define.
Yes, obviously.
We must define a planning plan. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Either it's one plant, either it's one plant or 2 plants, whatever it may be, we must define a planning plan.
Planning plan.
Just we are not going to define it, we are declaring our side.
Declaring
this is the planning plan. Yeah.
Right, yeah.
It is basically customizing activity.
Yeah, we are declaring one of the plans as the planning plan.
Planning plan, yeah. Absolutely.
Right. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah.
Okay. So this is what the plant maintenance organization structure. So it is the base of the SAP plant maintenance.
Okay. This is the basic RMS structure.
Yeah. Okay. This is the one-time activities during the implementation. Later, based on this plan organization structure, you don't get any problems. This is basically very much need to understand the business and define the org structure.
Right.
It is only the implementation, it is very important.
Okay.
In the rollout also is, somewhat is important. In the support it is not required. We are not going to touch at all in this area.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is the org structure in the plant maintenance. Moving to the master data. Okay. Next, what is the master data in the SAP plant maintenance?
Okay.
Okay. The topmost block it will show the master data. Okay. So yesterday what I explained you that equipment and functional location for the base of the plant maintenance master data. Rest of the all the master data. There is so many master data in there. Maybe it's not mentioned some more in the slide.
Okay.
All the master data will supported to this main master data. Okay. The function location, that is a physical location where we install the equipments, and equipments is the physical objects. Maybe it is autonomous unit, either is a machine or lathe machine or drilling machine or production machine or grinding machine. All these is called as a equipment. Okay. The material master. Material master basically it is called as a spare in the plant maintenance. Spares. Okay. We need the bearings. Okay. How will we procure based on the material master? Okay. It is these material masters will be defined by the material management. Those materials we will use in the SAP plant maintenance.
Right.
Okay. Next one is the bill of material. Okay. Bill of material nothing but if you breaking of the pieces for the equipment. Okay. That is called the bill of material. What is basically the bill of material? It consists of what are the materials in that equipment.
Right.
Okay. You can take the motor. The motor is called the one equipment. Okay. Motor will have the body, rotor, bearings, all this content of motor. Okay. This is all called the bill of material.
Right.
Yeah. Got it?
Yes.
Bill of materials in the plant maintenance is three types of bill of materials. One is the function location bill of material. It is specific to the function location. And another one is the equipment bill of material. It is specific for the equipment. Only with respect to that equipment only applicable. And material bill of material. Okay, it is applicable for the any equipment or any function location. Okay, it is called the material box. Okay. Then characteristics class. It is it will be used in all modules PM, MM, basically to classify your technical objects. Suppose your equipment, you are defined one equipment motor as a equipment. But what is the motor capacity? How do you know? Either it is 5 HP, 10 HP, 30 HP or 50 HP, or what is the RPM of that motor? Either is 1500 RPM, either 200 RPM. So those are all the classification you can make with the class and characteristics. It is called as the classification. Clear?
Okay.
And as you know, the part of master data is the maintenance work center. The task lists. Task list also. Task list nothing but it's a group of what are the activities to be done. Because okay, I want to do some jobs on the motor. Okay, I want to greasing. Okay, I want to do the cleaning. I want to do the greasing. I want to check the oil level in the gearbox. This is my regular activity. So whenever I want to do that any activities done, I have to write in the maintenance order. These all activities I have to perform. For this activity half an hour, for this activity half an hour, for this activity half an hour, for this activity 1 hour. Every time I have to write it. So the repetitive works which you are going to do on the object, you can define as a task list. Okay. You can assign this task list for that particular technical object whenever you are generating the maintenance work orders. So these activities will be automatically get copied into the maintenance order. Okay. You got clear that?
Yeah, I'm thinking task list.
Yeah.
It
is a sequence of operations which is going to done on the regular intervals on the object. Because it is repeated activities. Right. So each and every time no need to write in the maintenance order. Okay. So we can use this task list, we can copy those operations into the maintenance order.
Okay.
Okay.
So whatever the way we want to perform the operations.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. Because yeah, we can take the, I will give a simple example. You can take our car. Okay, when we go to the service station for the 1000 kilometer service, what is going to do?
We'll check the oil levels, we'll check the brake, the windshield water, right?
Okay.
We'll clean the, I mean, we'll check all the liquid, fluid levels.
There is a sequence of operations.
Yeah, sequence of, right.
Yeah.
Right.
So, if our vehicle 1000 kilometers, he will do the same activities. If it is coming somebody vehicle also, he will do the same activities.
Right.
Each and every time he has to write on the work order these all activities.
Okay.
So it is repetitive work for him. So for 1000 kilometers, what to be done is very clear. So those all things will be defined as a one task list. He can use the task list whenever the 1000 kilometers vehicle comes.
Okay. Right.
Okay. Yeah. You got it clear?
Yeah.
Like that,
So
1000 kilometers.
These sequence of operations will be done in the functional locations.
Yeah, functional location or equipments.
Or for the equipment, right?
Yeah. So maybe it is 1000 kilometers, 2000 kilometers, because activities will get different.
Yeah, right. For the new vehicle, new vehicle, it will be 10,000 kilometers, something, right?
10,000. Pardon me.
Okay, just go ahead. This time.
Yeah. Either it is 3,000 kilometers or 10,000 kilometers, maybe it will have the different activities. Okay.
Yeah.
So he will create for 1000 kilometers what to be done, 2000 kilometers what to be done, 4,000. He will set up task list you will have.
Right.
Okay.
Right. That's good.
Going forward, you know that all these things we can define as one task list, and we can indicate this only first 5 operations is applicable for that 1000 kilometers, and 6 to 10 operations will be applicable for the 2000. How we can use this is called the strategy task list. Going forward in the system, I will show you that one task list will have the up to 10,000 kilometers or 1 lakh kilometers. All the things you can maintain in the one task list, we can use the one task list for the multi-purpose. Okay. Okay, now you understand that what is the task list. Okay.
Yeah, task list I understand.
Yeah. Down below that strategies. Okay, strategies what I am going to explain is the same task list will have the 1000 or 2000, 3000. You can define the strategy task list itself. That is called the strategies.
Okay.
Okay. The same task list will be used in that one. What will happen whenever there is a view that it is coming the 2000 kilometers, system will create the work order for only 2000 kilometers activities only, not for the 1000, not for the other 3000 kilometers. Right?
Right.
That is the way the strategy will work. So this task list and strategy basically will be widely used in the preventive maintenance.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is the 1000 kilometers what to be done is decided by whom? It is the manufacturer. Okay, that is called the preventive maintenance. And the preventive maintenance, how we can manage into the SAPs, we will define the maintenance plans. Maintenance plans also is kind of the one master data. So these task list and strategies will be used in the maintenance plans. Okay. Now the master data, along with that there is so many master data here I am not mentioned. Going forward, when I am explaining in the system, whenever I note it, this is the master data, you can note it down the separate paper or separate page, what are the master data. So you have to know that the definition of the master data, application of the master data. So when you are going in the system, for the business perspective, it is very easy to understand, okay, this is the what application. Okay. Along with this, there is a catalogs, Okay, task list also will have the function location task list, equipment task list, general task list. Maintenance plans will have the three types of maintenance plans: single cycle plan, strategy plan, or counter based plan. There are the how we can measure these kilometers for the equipment or vehicle by measuring point. How we can do the document in the system, that is the measuring documents. That is the measuring points. These all the kinds of master data will come going forward. Whenever it's coming the new thing, if it is master data or transaction data, definitely I will make the differentiate. You have to note it down that master data, right?
Oh, sure.
Okay. Okay. This master data is the base in the plant maintenance, and then using this master data, we will do the processing. It's called the transaction data. The terminology will be used in the maintenance notification in the SAP. In the real-time business, they will do they will call it a maintenance request. Right? If when I am handling one plant, okay, plant means is one department. I have the problem with my pump. Pump leakage I saw.
Sir, I'm getting a voice, different voice.
Yeah, my house calling bells.
Oh, okay.
So maintenance request, that production department guy will call to the mechanical department. He will inform to the mechanical department in so and so section. There is a pump 101 is leaking. Okay, that is his job. He is requesting the maintenance from the mechanical department. So how he will go into the system is this is called the maintenance notification. Is it clear? What is the maintenance notification in the real time? Is a maintenance request.
Oh, these are called these are called the second box. The second box.
I will tell you. First you understand what is the notification, right? It is a kind of request. Maintenance request from the electrical department or mechanical department or instrument department. Production guy will request the maintenance. Okay. That maintenance request we will capture in the SAP as a maintenance notification. It is the starting point in the maintenance process. This notification will be viewed by the maintenance department. Okay, maybe the engineer, and he will send the technician the respective location. He will ask him to inspect that equipment. If some of the things what will happen is no need to do any maintenance, just to you tighten the seal, the leakage will be arrested, so there is no cost involvement, so no need to do the further process. Okay, so notification itself they will write what they done and they will close. So all the technical information will be captured in the notification. So in the request itself. Earlier in the plant maintenance, if where the SAP is not there, they will send the one maintenance request card will be there. They will prepare that card and they will send to the particular maintenance department, either mechanical or electrical. Those guys will come with the card and they will inspect and they will do the job and they will write it what they done and they will take the signature from the production department. They will keep those sheet for the history purpose. So the same things will happen in the SAP as a maintenance notification. So maintenance notification, now you understand, maintenance request from the user department. It is called the maintenance request in the real-time business. That we will do it as in SAP PM as a maintenance notification. Is it clear?
So first is the maintenance notification or the maintenance order?
Maintenance notification. That was request will be converted when you want to do need some material, some persons. That time will come into the order. I will tell you that. Going forward, you will understand. So first step is the maintenance is the notification.
Okay.
Okay. So it is the requesting the maintenance from the user department.
Right.
Okay. So maintenance order. Maintenance order is what to be done and what materials need and who is going to be executed. These are all the information will be captured in the maintenance order.
Okay.
Okay. It is the second step. Suppose this maintenance notification when they received, okay, it needs some material, it needs some manpower, it needs some special tools. The planning engineer will convert this notification into the maintenance order.
Okay.
Okay. In the maintenance order, what are the things to be there? Okay. What to be done? ఏమేమి చేయాలి? Okay, sorry. Okay, I used it.
That's one. I can understand.
What to be done? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 activities to be done. To execute that activities, what space is required and who is going to be done? Maybe there is an electrician or a mechanic or a plumber or carpenter. Who is going to be done? How much time need? These all the things is the planning activities. These all the things is the planning activities, right?
Yes.
It will be done by the planner in the maintenance order. So when you plan that one, so you plan the space material you require to two bearings to replace for the motor. Okay. Once there is a sequence of the steps in the maintenance order release and all these things. Maintenance order is basically the cost collecting object in the system. One is the planning, and for that planning, how much cost you are incurring.
Okay.
Right? That is the maintenance order. Just you understand what is the maintenance order. Going forward, you will know that what is the maintenance order, what it will contain, how it will work, and all these things. Okay. Just a minute, Balaji.
Okay.
Sir, vachara? Hello? Hello? సార్ వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది. నేను లాంగ్ టైం కాల్ చేస్తున్నాను. కాల్లో ఉన్నాను, ఒక 5 నిమిషాల తర్వాత కాల్ చేస్తాను. So back to Balaji.
Yeah.
Okay, now you clear that my maintenance order, what it will be in the SAP system.
Okay.
Okay. So all the planning will be done in the maintenance order for the material, for what to be done, and who is going to be done. Okay. Who is going to be done by the in the plan maintenance is work centers. Okay. So all the planning activities, all the costs will be captured in the maintenance order. Okay. So you can see that down below, you can take the 3 sections. So for what are the materials planned, for that material it will create the reservations. Okay. Once the material is reserved, you can withdraw the material from the stores. Okay.
So here material reservations means what is this one? This is in the
Yeah. Suppose you have the store system, the stock. I think so. The stock, non-stocks, we know. Okay. In the store, you have the 5 materials. Okay. You need the five bearings is available, but you have planned in the order 2 bearings.
Okay.
Okay. These 2 bearings will be blocked for your. It is a kind of one material document in the system.
Oh, okay.
It will reserve those 2 materials in the stores.
Okay.
You can go with this reservation number. That store guy will issue against this reservation number, so that the cost will be debited from the stores, and it will be credited to your maintenance order.
Right.
The cost will be transferred from the stores, whatever the cost, and it comes to your maintenance order once it is issued.
Yeah.
Okay, that is the material part. And the material also, there is a stock items, non-stock items going forward in the system. I will tell you what is the non-stock process, what is the stock process. Okay. The simple thing is, we can, when you plan the material, the system will generate the reservation for that material. The subsequent, it will be withdrawn from the stores and go for the physical execution. Right? And then the strike is you are seeing that capacity load.
Right.
And then time confirmation. Okay. The capacity load nothing but, okay, we are using the work center to execute that activities. Okay. Maybe that work center we have the 5 persons. In the 5 persons, whom you are using to execute that job. Okay. Those all the capacity planning can be done on the capacity load.
So basically, capacity load means how many people.
Yeah. Who is going to be done? Okay, those all the planning, detailed planning can be done in the capacity level. Okay. Then once the physical execution is done, okay, for that activity, XYZ, the person is in the work center is working for the 1 hour. Okay. So to capture those timings, it will be done in the time confirmation in the SAP system.
Okay.
So that he worked from the 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock is 1 hour for this one. Okay. 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 We will do the planning, and for the same planning, he will do the time confirmation as physically he is completed the job. Okay. Coming back to the purchase requisitions. Okay. So the left side block is the material reservation it is showing. Basically, if it is a stock item, it will create the reservation. Suppose if it is a non-stock item, system will create because there won't be any stock for the non-stock items in the stores.
Right. Yeah.
System will immediately for the non-stock items, it will create the purchase requisition. Follow to the purchase cycle. These purchase requisitions will be converted to the purchase order. Against the purchase orders, the vendor will supply the material. That is called the goods received. Once the goods received, the invoice will be generated by the vendor, and the finance guy will make the payment. Right. As soon as the goods receipt is done, okay, it won't go to the stock to the stores. Directly it will be credited to our maintenance order.
Okay.
Got it? Okay. It won't update any stock in the material side, stores side, material management side. Directly it will be credited to our maintenance order.
Okay.
Whatever the cost of that goods value, it will be posted to our maintenance order.
Okay.
Okay. This is the way processing. It is a simple outline, and maybe the detailed steps you can go forward. You can see.
So, Venkat, I have a question here. So this, so forget about this. I have a question. So if you create a maintenance order, so that means that someone is going to perform someone is going to work or repair whatever the So something happened in our functional location, so someone has to repair that.
Yes. Either it is repair or it is
So for that,
inspection or the prevention, whatever it may be. Yeah. Absolutely.
whatever it may be. Yeah, yeah. So then one person or the group of persons, so they have to get the material reservations, capacity
Yeah.
load, time confirmations.
Yeah.
So with who will do this maintenance order? Who will create the maintenance order?
See, that's what I actually. That request coming from the user department, the planner. Earlier in the maintenance organization, I told you the planner group.
Right,
Planner
right.
group who is
Planner
the
group.
engineer, yeah, engineer or the manager.
Okay. So
These guys will come under the planner groups.
so these people will know what are the materials required for this repair.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
And what is the how many people are required for repairing?
Yeah.
And what is the time?
Yeah.
So he
Planner
knows
is always, yeah. Planner is responsible for particular area, and he knows what the work to be done and what material is required, who can do this job.
How many people are required and how much time is required?
Yeah.
And if the material, if the material is not required, then they will request the material. They will procure the material.
Yes, right. Absolutely.
Oh, okay.
All the planning activities done by the planner.
Plan. Okay, I got it. Okay.
Yeah. So, is there any questions in this?
Yeah, I think clear, sir.
Yeah. See, this flow, if you understand, once we are going to the system, you can correlate it. Because why I am giving the more business examples is, you are not in that area.
But yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So SAP, I can say that it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. So if you are performing 2, 3 times, you know that flow, how it is flowing.
Yes, that's true.
But you have to correlate why we are doing in the SAP this flow. What is the business necessity there?
Right.
Yeah. So function locations, coming to the main master data. It will represent in the systems, the object can be installed that area. It is in, based on the hierarchy, you can structure this. Okay, maybe functional, this will be, locations will be functional wise and process related wise, spatial criteria. Okay, maybe it's a hall or location or plant wise. I told you, process wise, polymerization, condensing, or the water treatment area, such as a, based on the business needs, you can define this.
So functional location is a place, location of the
physical location. Just like we can take example of to reach the plant maintenance node in the SAP tree. Okay, we are clicking the logistics, then we are clicking the plant maintenance, then we are clicking that maintenance object, then we can go for the function location. This is the path, right, to reach the function location node. Yeah. The same way, within the plant, to reach that exact physical location, we are defining the path. This is called the function location.
Exactly.
Okay. That will define based on the business needs, function wise or process wise, or based on the business needs, right?
Right.
So I think so. I don't have things. If you have any question on this?
Yeah, move forward. Yeah.
So what is the criteria for the function location in the plant maintenance? Basically, to execute the maintenance task, you can record the maintenance tasks, you can collect the data along with what are the transactions you performed in the location, and you can monitor the function location wise, and what effect is done, what conditions of the equipments each and every stages, those all the information you can click in the location wise, the reporting part. Right? Okay. In the technical object side, is the topmost is the function location, obviously. Under below there is a sub-function location, and under there is a equipment. Under that there is a maybe sub-equipments. Under that there is a bill of materials. This is the structure. No. Okay, when you go forward, you can see that structure also displayed with you. So basically, that is the main criteria for the functional location. You can see that at the functional location level, what are the costs incurred, what are the maintenance is done, how many equipments is installed in that location. This all the cost will flow at the function location, and you can see that what are the things is done. All the history will be kept on the location. Okay. In the function location, there is the important tabs in the master record is a general and the location and organization and structure. Okay. In the general tab, all the information collected maybe you can see that the motor is supplied by the ABB. There is a manufacturing details in the nameplate, right? Are you here the nameplate?
Which one?
Nameplate. We call the usual business terminology nameplate. Suppose we purchased the CP. Okay, I will tell you that in our IT language.
Okay.
We have purchased one desktop, or else we have purchased one laptop.
Right.
How we can identify that laptop? What is the make and what is the serial number and all?
Right.
Right.
We can see it.
Right.
Right. Right.
That is called the nameplate.
Okay.
Okay. Those all the information will be captured in the general tab.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
The location.
Hmm.
There is a location tab. There is so many fields in that location tab. Earlier I mentioned in the maintenance plant can further defined as a location plant section, right? You can recollect the first slide. Maintenance plan.
Yeah, maintenance plan. Location plan.
These locations exactly to identify those information to punch in the location area, we can use that one.
Okay.
Okay. Along with that, there is some more information in the location tab.
Okay.
When we are going to the system, I can say the organization. This function location belongs to which organization? For which maintenance plant, which planning plant, which plant who is going to do the execute this work center. Those all of the information will be captured in the organization. So that.
Venkat, could you just hang on for a minute? I'm getting a call.
Yeah.
Just a minute.
Yeah. Okay, we can take just 5 minutes break, no problem. I am also getting some call.
Okay. We'll take 5 minutes break.
Okay.
Naveen. Naveen.
ఇది పిక్చర్ వైజ్ గా ఇంకా అర్థం
What? Hello? Hello?
Huh?
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, Balaji.
You still want to say something?
Are you getting any disturbance sounds?
Yeah.
Yeah, my house is beside the road. Okay. So sometimes you will get it. Okay. You ignore those sounds. Only take my sounds.
But yeah, but
Yeah.
actually I use a headphones. So the noise is very louder, like it's happening just beside me.
Yeah, for you is a very surrounding environment. Everything is
Yeah, very quiet,
zero
quiet. Yeah,
zero decibels almost all.
yeah,
So
very
that
quiet.
every pin drop also you will hear the distant sound.
Right, very quiet.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You bear the for this today, no problem. Tomorrow I
That's
will
fine.
make peaceful.
That's fine. That's fine. That's okay. That's fine.
So organization structure, what we are going to maintain, it is with respect to that organization. If it is plant 001, those all information will be maintained in this tab. Yeah, and the structure is basically, I think so. It will have some of the structural manner. I will show you how this structure will be useful in the plant maintenance. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose function location will have the 40 character structure indicator to define your part physical location. It is the maximum it will allow for the 8 levels. Okay. So these 8 levels, first once you have created the first level only, then you can create the second level. Once second level is created, you can create the third level. Maybe first level, maybe it is your plant denotes. Second level, your the section wise it will locate. Third level is maybe the area wise it will locate. Fourth level, this based on the levels will be defined the business needs. Okay. So once you are defined the first location only, then you can move to the second location. Those all the structures will be defined in the display in the structure tab.
Oh, okay.
You got it? This is a kind of hierarchy.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. This actually in this there is a questions from the SAP. If you go to SAP certification,
Okay.
it's called they will call it the edit mask. What is the edit mask length? What characters to be used? There is a, I think so.
Edit mask for what?
That edit mask will be defined to the structural location. I think so. The slide is not there. I think so. When I'm going to the system examples, I will show you that one.
Okay.
To define these levels by using the edit mask.
Okay.
It is what the first level, how many characters should be there.
Okay.
What characters should be there, either is numeric or is alphanumeric or is only alphabet.
Okay.
So this edit mask will allow you later to, when you are defining the function location, only if you are defined for alpha value, system will allow you to enter in that place only alpha values. It won't allow for the numeric values.
Okay.
Okay, if you define for that level only the 5 digits or 6 digits, the system will allow you to define only 5 digits only, or else it won't allow you to create the 6 digits in the first level. Okay, it is standardized of your structure. Okay.
Okay.
Now I explained the structure, how the first level maybe it's your plant, second level maybe it's the production unit, third level maybe it's your based on the business wise the chemical block or formation block. Under the third level you have the reaction area or parting area. Under the reaction area maybe the reactor 007. This is the exact physical location of
Each and
where
every
equipment you are going to install.
Right.
Right? You can see that first plant level is the 3 characters is XYZ. The second level XYZ hyphen PD. That is called the production unit. Third level is XYZ hyphen PD hyphen MB1. That is a chemical block. MB1. Okay. So finally, when you see the down level, the reactor area, XYZ denotes your plant. Okay. PD denotes your production unit. MB1 is denotes your chemical block. RA denotes your reaction area. Okay. RE009 is your reactor 9.
Okay. So each and every node is a functional location.
Yes.
Right? Each and every node is a functional location.
Yes, right.
Okay.
So now is it clear?
Yeah.
The same way the equipment is the individual physical object to be maintained as an autonomous unit in the plant maintenance, and it will be defined for the means of production, for the means of transportation. Maybe vehicles also is the equipments. Production machines also the equipments. Test equipments. Yesterday I spelled out that measure, sound tester is measuring instruments.
Right.
Okay, it needs to some calibration in the regular intervals. That is also defined as a test equipments in the system. And production resource tools. To want to execute, you need some of the tools. That tools also need some maintenance. That also will define as a equipments in the system, as a production resource tools. Sometimes we will hire the customer equipments, keep in our places to do the jobs, like welding machines, okay, boring machines, those kind of. That will be defined as a customer device, as an equipment master only, but it will have a separate categories.
Right.
Okay, that can, when we are going to the system, I will show that one, how it can. There is a building, properties, system parts or vehicles. These are all the kinds as a master there. It will define in the SAP as a equipment master. Okay. What is the purpose of the equipment is to manage the data and recording the what we are doing on that as per the maintenance, and for each maintenance what cost is involved, and later these all information we can do the evaluation at a particular object level, or as well as location level, as well as plant level. So obviously whenever it is downtime, all this information will be recorded as a usage types. Okay. The similar the function location, this also will have the
Tabs. Right.
Yeah, and we'll have we can customize some more other tabs based on the business needs. Okay, that I will tell you the later. As a standardized SAP, we will have only 4 tabs. The general information it will capture all the nameplate details, all those things, and the location for which maintenance plant, which location, which plant section, those all information will be captured in the location area. And the organization structure for this equipment belong to which plant and which planner group is responsible, which planning plant is responsible, which work center is responsible for to execute this maintenance activities. Those all the information will be captured in the organization tab. And the structure, how this equipment is installed in which location, also will show in this structure tab. So we can see that additional information equipment usage in the equipment master itself, and what the classification we have done, either it is in 5 HP or 10 HP motor or 16 HP motor, all those information you can do the classification in the equipment master. It is not a tabs, it is some functions. And we can assign that standard operating procedures. Any equipment will use some standard operating procedures. This is a step 1, we have to plug in, we have to switch on, then such a way there is a standard instructions. Those any soft copies is there, you can assign those, attach those soft copies or drawings for that equipment in the equipment master itself. If you have any texts, all the different languages, those all the information also you can maintain. Okay. Because you can take the example of we are using the English, maybe the France you can use the French. Okay, if we maintain the different languages, it will show in the different languages in the based on the user profile. And measuring points, okay, measuring points and contours. Why this is also kind of one of the master data. Okay, so particular equipment we want to capture any running hours, or if you take the vehicle, how many kilometers is done. Those are the information to be captured through these measuring points. And if you have
it is a kind of master data, measuring point.
Yeah, measuring point also is kind of master data. We will define particular for that equipment.
Venkat, because you have already passed the certification, if you wherever it is right question for the certification, please let me know.
Yeah, definitely. See, that the certification question maximum I will let you know when we are going to the system. Okay. What kind of questions will come and what is the answer should be for that.
Okay. Right.
Okay. As well as the end of the course, I will give that a site name to go through that result certification questions. Okay. Are you planning to go for the certification?
Yeah, definitely.